We are excited to inform you about the initiation of the Haitian Family Reunification Parole Program, a significant step towards reuniting families. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, has begun sending out invitation letters to individuals who have previously filed petitions for their relatives, and these petitions have already been approved. You can anticipate receiving an invitation letter for participation in the Haitian Family Reunification Parole Program. This letter, sent either by traditional mail or email, will provide comprehensive details about the application process and the necessary steps to proceed. Navigating the immigration system can be complex and challenging, and that's why we're here to help. Best Immigration, Translation and Credential Evaluation is committed to supporting you throughout your journey in this program. Our team of experts is available 7 days a week to address any questions or concerns you might have regarding the program. For personalized assistance and guidance, please do not hesitate to get in touch with us. You can call us at 754-348-0472 to speak directly with our knowledgeable staff. Alternatively, you can reach out via email at johnnyjohnbaptist1@gmail.com. Visit us at www.bestimmigrationservices.com. Best Immigration, Translation and Credential Evaluation, your trusted partner.